If you want to know more about student housing in the Netherlands, follow me. Hey, can I have a tour? What's your name?
Hi, I'm Wade Molman.
And where do you come from?
I'm from South Africa.
And how did you get this place?
I got really lucky about 2 months before moving. They just completed building the place and I put my name down and got really lucky.
Through what company?
Through a company called Plaza.
Perfect. And what is the size?
The size of this one's 90 meters squared. You also get 22 meters squared.
And the price?
This one, 19 meters squared, is about 725 euros per month.
Mm-hmm. And the location?
The location, it's really close to Brabantpark and even closer to Buas, 5-minute walk.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, pleasure.
Thanks. And can I see the weirdest thing you have in this room?
Yeah, sure. Give me one sec.
Okay. Whoa. Student housing in the Netherlands is not easy. If you want to know how Buas can help you, check the description down below. See you in the next room.